Hi guys, it's Dylan Kavi. Today we're going camping in Egg Harbor City. We're going on a trip right now to the campsite, and I'd like to introduce you to some of the people going with us. This is P. James.
Hi.
He's another adult that's going with us on the camp. And then this is Kaylani from the bowling video.
Hi.
She'll be going with us too. And the other people are here too. Anza and my mom.
Hi guys.
After a good night's sleep on Friday, I woke up on Saturday ready to go camping. We packed all the stuff up on the truck, a rug, camping supplies, and activities that we can do. See you there at the campsite.
Okay, what belongs to you, but other people use it more than you? That's funny. Oh, name.
Your name.
Your name. Ping pong, ping pong. Yeah, because you not call your name, right? Usually people around.
Okay, we're at the campgrounds now. Let's go out. Nice landscape.
We stay here. Yep, this is where we stay. Yesterday we stay in the camp in the tent. Today we stay in this big cabin house.
Do you want to see it?
And we're heading to the arcade right now. I'll show you what games are inside.
Okay.
Yep, there's a lot of games.
Excited.
Guys, check this out.
Wow, check this out.
Yep.
Hi guys.
Wow, mosquitoes. There's a blaster game, but it ran out. It's
Something's wrong with the video.
Yep. Something wrong with it. And there's the next one. It's a
Oh,
claw
this is
machine.
candy machine. A
There's
candy
another one,
machine.
but it's a collection machine. Ooh, this is a game.
This is a racing game.
Whoa!
Okay,
Right, cute arcade.
so
What do you mean?
this is another one. Okay, we're going to mini golf next. It's over there.
Yeah, it's right next to the swimming pool.
I see.
Let's go check it out.
Yep. This is really fun. But we never played it yet.
I see.
Let's see now the swimming pool. I know it's a swimming pool. Just follow me.
The deepest area is 6 feet deep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep, it is 6 feet deep. Because when we was in the pool, it was very 6 feet.
I see. Wow, look at the pool.
Yeah, it's 3 feet deep.
Did you guys play at the pool already?
Yeah.
Ah. And look at this fun part.
This is a playground.
And the pool, big pool. And the restaurant there.